Hi there, my name is Hazy, and welcome to my channel. If you're here, you're probably feeling a bit stressed and looking for a way to rebalance yourself. Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple and soothing 5-minute mindfulness exercise designed to help you find some calm during a stressful day. Remember, the key is not to complicate things. It's about taking a moment to reconnect, take control, and care for yourself. So let's take this break together and find some peace. Okay? Ready? Right, let's get started. First, try to find a quiet spot where you're less likely to be disturbed. Sit comfortably, relax your back and shoulders, and gently close your eyes. Now, take a few deep breaths. Feel the connection between your body and the surface beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the ground, anchoring you firmly. As you relax, bring your attention to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe in, imagine sending your thoughts to those areas, and as you exhale, feel the tension melting away. This helps you become more aware of your physical state and promotes relaxation. Shift your focus to your senses. What can you hear? What can you smell? Feel the texture of your clothes against your skin. Engaging your senses helps bring you into the present moment and away from stressful thoughts. Take a few moments to fully experience your surroundings. If you start to notice anxious thoughts creeping in, just acknowledge them and gently push them to the side while you focus on the here and now. Use your focus to imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. This could be a warm beach, a peaceful forest, or even a cozy room. Picture yourself there, noticing the details, the colors, the sounds, the smells, the breeze on your skin. Allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in this tranquil scene. Visualization can be a powerful tool to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, repeat a few positive affirmations to yourself. These could be simple phrases like, "I am calm," "I am in control," or "I am at peace." Affirmations can help shift your mindset and reinforce a sense of well-being. After a few minutes, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the time you've taken for yourself. Thank yourself for this act of self-care, and allow yourself to feel and accept gratitude. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, and it's perfectly fine if your mind wanders. The key is to be gentle with yourself and keep coming back to your breathing and affirming that you are in control. Thank you for joining me today and taking this step towards rebalancing yourself. I hope this guide was helpful in bringing a sense of peace and calm to your busy day. And remember, you can always save this video and come back to it if you feel stressed or need to calm your mind. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, give a like and let me know in the comments. I'll be doing more of these mindfulness and stress relief exercises in the future, so if you'd like to stay in touch, please consider subscribing. Stay mindful and go with peace. Hazy.